I'm your host Wajiha Naeem and welcome to my channel in Crowdbuzz. You will learn how to make a text reveal animation effects. Let's get started. First of all, we will choose a background color here. And now I will type my text here. I will select a heading. Now type your text here. Adjust the size of the font. Increase the size of the text. Choose the font Barlow Condensed. Change the font. Our font is changed. Now increase the size of the font. Now go to the elements and type here lines. These line styles and increase the line weight to 9 or 10. I will choose 10. Now rotate it 90 degree. Bring it here. Now go to elements again and select a shape, rectangular shape, and change the color of this shape. Choose the same color like background of the shape. Now select the shape and the line. Press the shift button and select the line and the shape both. Make it group. Now go to animation and choose custom animation. Press the shift button and drag the mouse from left to right. Like this. It will give a smooth animation effect. Now we will play this to see our text reveal animation. So this is how you can create text reveal animation effects. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe my channel and hit the like button so you don't miss the latest video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.